Good morning. This is CA Kaushik Ganguli from Minded EduServe, and we bring you guys the video of the day. Today we are going to talk of a vital professional networking tool which is called LinkedIn. Why do we need to know about LinkedIn properly? Because LinkedIn is all about showcasing your professional profile. It includes whether you are a student, whether a business owner, whether a professional at a junior or a middle level who wants to showcase his experience, his education, his skills, the kind of work he has done, you need to have a proper LinkedIn profile. What are the common mistakes that a person makes when he's preparing his LinkedIn? First of all, he just puts in a basic template, maybe puts in his name, profile picture, and then just leaves it. इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. You have to keep updating it, because just as you are a living organization, just as you are dynamic, a LinkedIn profile is also, yes, dynamic. So when you are creating a LinkedIn profile, spend time on it. How can you rectify other areas? You can focus on area by area of your LinkedIn. जब हम LinkedIn बनाते हैं तो we can focus specifically on a good profile pic, अच्छे profile picture खींचे, get it taken professionally. Background अगर खाली पड़ा है, खाली मत रहने दीजिए, get it taken by a graphic designer, एक create कराइए. Get a content writer or a career coach to write out your experience. जब उनसे बनेगा तो आप देखेंगे कि क्या डिफरेंस बनता है, पहले कहाँ था और आज कहाँ चला गया है. What is the benefit of such a good LinkedIn profile? You get noticed. You start attracting followers. You start getting offers from companies. You start getting into the notice of potential senior management. तो इससे क्या होगा? इससे आपकी करियर की तरक्की होगी. इससे आपकी प्रोफाइल की एक ब्रांड इमेज क्रिएट होने लगेगी. That is the benefit of such a thing. You can see the results. Like, share, subscribe and comment the video if you found it good. And keep watching. The countdown to the next video starts now. Thank you.